This 2023 Winnebago Solis 59P is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, LP detector, Colorado detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Solis 59P is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.